lovely. Actually, it's lovely to drive, very comfortable.
फास्ट है, पूरा स्विंग फास्ट है, बॉकेट फास्ट है, इजी दम ऑपरेटर.
日立剑机就一个字儿好。
Backup and support. It's good.
As a global top player, the Hitachi Construction Machinery Group sees its mission as working to proactively solve issues facing the world through technology. We respond to the needs of customers in all countries and regions. We are engaged in a wide range of initiatives in both machinery and software solutions. We work to protect the global environment, to attain a more rewarding lifestyle, and to ensure safety and security for people everywhere. The Hitachi Construction Machinery Group dates back to 1949, with Japan's first mechanical excavator wholly built with Japanese technology. Subsequently, the group has continued to develop products with its own original technology. The Hitachi Group supplies construction machinery that improves the relationship between people and work and raises this to a higher level. Our objective is to contribute to the creation of a rewarding lifestyle environment. Currently, the Hitachi Group offers a comprehensive product lineup, including a wide range of hydraulic excavators responding to the needs of numerous sectors and projects. Wheel loaders, dump trucks, cranes, and compaction equipment. Recently, expectation is being placed on additional demand from the mining sector, an industry that supports the development of resources and energy. Hitachi provides mining machinery with advanced functions and outstanding durability, including the world's largest class massive hydraulic excavators with an operating weight of over 800 tons, as well as dump trucks. These products have earned a high level of trust from users. We also support operations in terms of improving productivity and reducing product costs. These include our mining operation management systems based on ICT. The system employs GPS and high-speed wireless communications to transmit operational information on machines working at mines in real time to ensure optimal operational management. Providing optimal models matched to local conditions. For the Hitachi Group, which seeks to be a global corporate entity in the truest sense, this policy is a major factor in developing products aimed at global markets. We respect and conform to the specific needs of each country and region, and we are proactively localizing our operations. Currently, we have established production bases in optimal locations worldwide, centered on our 7 global operational areas, as well as optimal supply and servicing systems sited worldwide. We work to ensure total customer satisfaction in order to be a close and reliable partner. The key element in our worldwide activities is the Tsuchiura Works, our global mother plant. At the Tsuchiura Works, we work hard to develop the latest cutting-edge technology in areas including research, development, design, production, and inspection. And the results are reflected in the manufacturing of our products. In addition, in the Ibaraki area, we have 4 plants: Kasumigoro Works, Hitachi Naka Works, Hitachi Nakarenko Works, and Ryogasaki Works. We divide their functions into supplying key components for our overseas plants and the production of large excavators and wheel loaders. Together with the Tsuchiura Works, these plants all ensure Hitachi-level high quality and provide high added value total solutions. China has become the world's largest market for hydraulic excavators. And here we have the world's largest plant, Hitachi Construction Machinery China. It is located in Hefei, the provincial capital of Anhui, a city now achieving rapid growth as an industrial hub. The plant mainly supplies domestic demand for hydraulic excavators in China, and it has a manufacturing capacity of about 30,000 excavators per year. Hitachi Construction Machinery Shanghai is linked to sales agents nationwide in China and provides after-sales services such as maintenance and repair. High-quality products and in-depth support have earned the company an excellent reputation. In India, Hitachi has an affiliation with the Tata Group, the leading corporate group in India, and established a new company there. This affiliation generates synergies, and in 2009 it established a new cutting-edge plant and so strengthened its production systems. This has captured a large market share, and as a leading maker of construction machinery such as hydraulic excavators, Hitachi responds to India's demand for such machinery generated by infrastructure and mining development. In addition, in regions such as Europe and Russia, Asia Pacific, Africa and the Middle East, and in the Americas, the Hitachi Group has integrated its technological capabilities, its product creation capabilities, and its strengths in the area of sales and servicing. In terms of after-sales services, the Hitachi Group is linked to agents in all these regions, and in this way it supports the entire life cycle of its products, from maintenance to part sales and repairs. Hitachi Global e-Service is a remote management system utilizing ICT unique to Hitachi. It enables one-source management of a diverse array of information, including location, operational situation, and maintenance history for each construction machine. And it offers recommendations for repairs and preventative maintenance. In this way, it supports the stable operation of construction machinery. The Hitachi R&D division has its hub in the Technology Development Center of the Tsuchiura Works. It is engaged in developing advanced construction machinery, original manufacturing technology, and new element components. It is focused on energy-saving technology, improved safety and manufacturing efficiency, and intensive use of robots. And it has achieved many excellent results. In addition, the R&D division integrates the synergies of the entire Hitachi Group and develops high added value products. This massive dump truck is equipped with an AC drive system developed by the Hitachi Group, employing inverter technology developed during the manufacture of Shinkansen Super Express trains. This has achieved improved manufacturing efficiency and lower fuel consumption. The entire Hitachi Group is cooperating in the development of environment-friendly products, such as hybrid hydraulic excavators, battery-driven excavators, and electric excavators. Hitachi builds construction machinery that coexists in harmony with the global environment, and it is engaged in a wide range of effective environment protection measures to reduce CO2 emissions. Hitachi considers that its corporate mission is to develop technology that helps to create a sustainable society. And this is an area of maximum effort. The Hitachi Group seeks to create a better world through environmental preservation, promotion of sports, supporting education, and advancing in harmony with the local community. As a good corporate citizen, Hitachi is actively contributing to society. Minefields still threaten people in many places worldwide and claim numerous victims. In these regions, demining equipment developed by the Hitachi Group is at work. Today, many former minefields have been converted back into fertile land. The Hitachi Group supports the activities of the NPO Good Earth Japan in regional recovery and in helping people to rebuild their lives in post-mine clearance areas. We will continue to support the reclamation of land at peace and help people attain personal independence by building schools where children, the future of the country, can study in safety. At the Hitachi Group, we seek to contribute to society as an extension of our daily work.
You always think about the customer.
不断地学习一些新的知识。
現地だけで回せるような、サービス体制を作れたらなっていうのは思います。
Most important dream is for the safe environment, the safe culture.
The Hitachi Construction Machinery Group strives to be a close and reliable partner, ready to assist in any way possible. By further enhancing coordination within the Hitachi Group, we are committed to expanding the infinite possibilities of manufacturing construction machinery.